On Monday, Ukraine said Russian drones had detonated on the territory of NATO member Romania during an overnight airstrike on a Ukrainian port across the Danube River. But initially, Bucharest denied its territory had been hit. On Wednesday, Romania's defense minister, Angel Tilvar, said that he could confirm that parts resembling a drone fell on Romanian territory. Pieces of equipment were found in this area because we have covered a very large area, including the area that has been publicly discussed, and I confirm that in this area, pieces that may be from a drone have been found.
I would like to refer to the latest information regarding the identification by the Romanian Ministry of Defense on the territory of Romania in the proximity of our border with Ukraine of components that could belong to a drone. I was informed in real time by the Ministry of Defense regarding this discovery, and I requested an urgent and professional investigation of the origin of these components, as well as regarding the moment and circumstances in which they reached the Romanian soil.
Romanian residents living near the border worry about a stray drone or debris from defense mechanisms landing on their side of the river. Fishing on the Romanian shore of the Danube, beekeeper Gabi Popescu could see barges loading grain in the Ukrainian river port of Izmail a day after Russia launched its third overnight strike against port infrastructure. I can't say whether it fell on the Romanian side or theirs, but it was very close to me. Compared to previous shellings, the noise was very loud. I am a little afraid, even though officials have given assurances that they are paying attention. I don't feel safe here. I am on the Romanian shore, and I do not feel safe. They have always attacked at night. This is the third raid in this region, and always by night. I did not expect this escalation would reach our area. I was expecting it to happen at the seaside. We got used to the sirens. During the day, we ignore them, but our souls tense up when they ring at night. By now, we know there must be something in the area. It is rare for stray weapons from the war to hit a neighboring member of the Western Military Alliance. The attacks on Ukraine's river ports, just hundreds of meters from the Romanian border, have increased security risks for NATO, which has a collective defense commitment. The Danube River is now Ukraine's main route out for grain, after access to its own Black Sea ports was cut off after Russia in mid-July left a safe passage grain corridor agreement brokered by the United Nations and Turkey. Since then, Russia has attacked Ukraine's river ports Izmail and Reni repeatedly. In Plauru, the few remaining residents can hear the bomb sirens, which ring out in Izmail several times a week.